Last time on the Lazy Geckos.
Starting to relax a little. That I really thought I was going to be pouring a vodka and orange juice.
It's a lot different when you have like 3 people on board.
Hi, I'm your captain.
No, I can't look at John.
I'm pretty sure.
The white whale is coming to get us. I've got to go. I'm gonna. Sip for 5 bitches.
Mom, look at Daddy.
Hi, Reese.
Hi, Daddy.
We're headed south. The sun is finally starting to come out and we're feeling good. I'm taking the helm more often to see if I enjoy a cat or if a monohull will still be my favorite type of boat. Let's see.
How's it going, Mama?
Good. This operates the port side of the boat, starboard side. So this is your RPMs, your warning lights. That is for your coolant, and this is to tell you about your alternator, and that tells you about your fuel, how much fuel you have. Obviously, all your instruments, lights, these are all lights. These are mostly instruments and stuff like that. And you can put radar over here, chart plotter. So I'm getting it. Beautiful compass right there. Obviously, this is your helm, autopilot, wind direction, depth, speed, throttles, valve thrusters. That's awesome. And moving over right here, and these are your on-off switches for your engines and stuff like that. I'm not sure what that is.
Chain counter.
Chain counter, that's right, chain counter. So yeah, I'm getting the feel of it. I'm starting to operate the boat a little bit more.
Looking forward to putting the jib on.
Oh yeah, me too. You know, we're trying to figure out the engines. We've been having some trouble, so we've really been focusing on that. But honestly, this boat is crazy. It has freaking windshield wipers. I've never seen that. Is that normal?
Bridge, Hobie Sound Bridge, sailing vessel Calypso, requesting transit from north to south.
This is Hope Sound Bridge. Good afternoon, Calypso. Yeah, catamaran approaching.
That's affirmative, sir.
Roger that. Yeah, bring it up to the bridge. Let's tighten up the 3 of you coming this way, and I'll get you all 3 at the same time.
We're gonna anchor right over here.
Okay. Got that. Okay. That's great. Thank you.
Alright, the anchor's unlocked. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna anchor.
Is this where we anchored last time and got our ass kicked?
No, that was up there, on the other side of the bridge. 7.7. We have a 4-foot draft. We don't know what we're gonna put out for scope. It's just gonna be whatever we can get out.
Okay.
The more the better. So Cheryl and Lyle decided to say F it and they rolled.
Seriously?
Yep.
They didn't wait?
No.
Wow.
They said no name tonight.
Where are they going?
No name tonight.
I know that, but like their ultimate plan.
Evaluate wind, waves, and then they're gonna go to Key Largo tomorrow and then boot Key Harbor. He said, wow, this is the first anchor for him that, and it's not even like in the ICW. I wonder what it's like not to float in the ICW.
Can you tell me a little bit about your anchoring setup?
Yeah, the anchors are a lot different. So we got the windlass, which is sweet. Got a wash down here, windlass. It's powered by a little remote control. And then all chain rod is what we use. And then basically you just pull back on the windlass to pop this latch off the chain. Then it's loose. Bring it down, and then we have a bridle instead of a snubber. So I'll hook that up and it'll act as a snubber. The cool thing about this boat is the bridle hooks at the bottom of the hull in the front. So it's already at a waterline. That angle that you have coming from your anchor chain coming up, it never has to come to the bow. It just comes to the bottom of the hull, which is really cool. Helps with holding. Last night we held awesome. And we have a Rockna 33. Pretty cool. Held like a champ last night. The plan's good for it to do it again. Okay, and I'm trying to hook the bridle up now. Bridle is hooked up. Is it still hooked on?
Yeah.
Looks like it's nice and taut. Yeah, it looks nice and tight. All right, anchor set.
Good job.
Way to go, Cap! Woohoo! Hey, everybody, see that?
Okay, I'm gonna give you a quick intro of what we're doing here. This engine has a gremlin. We've had to bypass it, and actually we set it up to hot wire. No big deal, because the engine's gonna be replaced as long as we can get to Tampa. So, but I tend to shock myself every time I hot wire this thing. So if I jump around like an idiot, that's what's going on. But since we're hot wiring an engine, it starts with, the first thing we do is we check around for the police to make sure that no one's about to see what we're going to do. We're good, let's get out of here. Gone in 60 seconds. Okay, brace yourself. Come on, baby.
We got it.
Yep.
How you doing?
Good?
Perfect. Did you see it start to lug?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we think the problem is in the electrical harness, or possibly in the fuel shutoff solenoid. And when she gets new engines, the problem should be solved. But other than that, all the gauges work when it comes alive.
In my opinion, this is the best time of day, weighing anchor as the sun comes up. The sights, sounds, it's all here.
Coming down to Jupiter, and this is like the beginning of a bunch of bridges, a bunch of drawbridges, and it's a pain because they're all timed differently. So some will open on an hour and a half hour, some on a quarter hour. It's a pain. And you're dealing with traffic, and I kind of stuff. So this is the first one. We're going into the gauntlet. John's at the helm.
What's your
I
game
told him
plan?
I'm not taking the helm. Yeah, what's your game plan, John?
For what?
There you go.
Game plan?
Well, I saw you taking notes last night.
Well, my game plan was to try and time it, distance, time, speed. But then what I realized is that wasn't going to work.
There you go.
707. 707 is flips over on the line.
77 bridge, that's he flips over into the bridge.
Hey,
77, we're clear.
that's irritating.
Yeah, that's the first time I've seen a bridge not respond.
Maybe he's having radio difficulties.
So was that one a bridge that opens on command or?
Yes.
Apparently, yes, but
That's an on-demand bridge.
they just don't reply.
Yeah.
They weren't listening. But
Now our next bridge is on the hour and a half hour,
Look
correct?
how quick it closed behind us.
oh, I know. Yeah.
And there was no horn.
They're watching. I know. So we're coming up on another bridge soon. Tell me when.
Feel the current now? Oh,
Yeah. Don't slow down.
Yep.
This is Jupiter Federal Bridge. We almost hit this bridge because we were following a sailboat, and it was a big current. There's an inlet right here, pushing right into the bridge, and they opened the bridge, and the sailboat in front of us went probably about the same distance we are now, and we started going with the current with us, and the guy just stopped under the bridge. It was up. He just stopped, put it in reverse, and looked up. So we were coming at him. We had to do like a Knight Rider burnout move to turn around, and it was stupid. So this is a pretty sketchy bridge here.
Okay. She is.
This is what you don't do.
Yes.
And she got too close to the bridge, and she had to throw it in reverse, prop walk it away from the bridge. Whenever you come up to a bridge, you need to stay back from it a distance because the current will push you right into it.
And the bridge operator might get extremely pissed and close the bridge on you.
Join us next time as we continue our path south.
Lazy Gecko sailing?
That's affirmative. LazyGeckoSailing@gmail.com.
Roger that. Is that the channel, the YouTube channel?
That's us.
We're headed to Fort Lauderdale so we can knock a few items off our list in order to start our offshore sail. Easy, right? Well, you'd think so. Stay tuned.
Oh, please, oh, please, oh, please, oh, please, oh, please, please, please.
Thank you, patrons, for making these videos possible. If you want more, even crazier footage, check out our Vimeo channel.